What if I told you that you could build any app without leaving your chat window? No VS Code, no complex setup, just you and ChatGPT. Sounds impossible? Watch this. Hey coders, creators, and curious minds. Today, I'm about to show you something that made my jaw drop. And I'm not exaggerating. ChatGPT Canvas just got an upgrade that's about to change how we build software forever. From Windows 95 simulators to real-time chat apps, from chess games to dating apps, all built in minutes, not days. And the best part? It all happens right here in ChatGPT. This used to be our reality, juggling between editors, browsers, and terminals. But now, everything happens here. Write code, see it render, modify it, all in real time. It's like having a senior developer sitting next to you, but better. Let's start with something nostalgic that showcases just how powerful this is. We're building a Windows 95 simulator. First, let's tell ChatGPT what we want. Build a Windows 95 interface with working windows and a start menu. Watch how it generates not just basic code, but a fully functional system. Start menu implementation, window dragging system, Minesweeper game integration, file system simulation. But here's where it gets mind-blowing. Watch what happens when I say, add the classic Windows 95 pointer trails. Now let's build something you might actually need at work. Imagine needing a drag-and-drop recruiting pipeline for your HR team. Something that usually takes days to build. That's right. What you're seeing is a fully functional Kanban board with drag-and-drop functionality, built in minutes. Let's push the boundaries. We're going to build a real-time chat application. Notice how we're not just copying and pasting code. We're having a conversation with AI, refining and improving our app in real time. Now let's add some AI magic. Watch how easily we can integrate the OpenAI Vision API. Think games are too complex? Watch this. Board setup, move validation, game logic, win conditions. All of this in one prompt. No game engine required. Let me share some game-changing tips I've discovered. The iteration prompt technique, the component building strategy, the debug conversation method. We've just scratched the surface of what's possible. Think about it. We built 8 different applications, ranging from games to business tools, all without leaving ChatGPT. Remember when we needed different tools for writing code, testing, debugging, rendering? Now it all happens in one place. If you're excited about this as I am, hit that subscribe button, because we're going to explore more advanced techniques in the upcoming videos. Drop a comment with what you want to build. I'll pick the most interesting ideas for our next video. And remember, we're living in a time where the gap between imagination and creation has never been smaller. Let's make the most of it. Don't forget to grab the prompt templates I used in this video from the link in the description. They'll help you recreate everything we built today. See you in the next one.